Birthday of Priya. Today we come to their house for the program. So we celebrated Ada Didi's birthday yesterday. So when they celebrate Kanaiya's birthday, they make the preparation. They start the preparation for a 1 month before. So Ananda Swarup. Krishna is Ananda Swarup. Yes. And so Krishna. Call everyone upstairs. Phone live. Everyone come upstairs. So if you don't hear the katha, then there is no Mangal. You have to listen to Hari Katha. So I'll tell you one katha. There was one husband and wife, and they had a 1 young boy. Dead mane. So one was about 1.5 months old baby. So they were going from one village to another town. Village. From one village to another village. So they were going from one village to another village. And there was in the middle, there was a small jungle. So when they walk in, they've been walking, and then it got dark. So then they thought, shall we pass the jungle in this dark? Yes. So the husband and wife said, we continue walking. So behind them, the lion was roaring. So the husband and wife thought, what shall we do now? The lion is behind us and is roaring. So the husband said that if we walk very fast, then we will be able to cross this jungle. Here, put this. So the wife says, how can we walk very fast? We got a small boy. How will we cross this jungle? That both of them are saying, what should we do? The lion is roaring behind us. And the jungle, and it's also dark. Which way should we go? So how do we save our life? In which direction go? So wife is saying, dead mane, 1.5 months. So what they thought, the wife is saying that I'm carrying a 1.5 month baby. How can I walk fast? So the husband and wife decided, what we do is we'll dig a hole here, and we'll leave the baby here, and then cover it up with all this grass. So what they did was they dug and made a hole, and they left the baby, and then on top of that they covered a lot of leaves and branches. So when the time comes for one to go, one to die, then if Krishna wants to save you, then nobody. If Krishna wants to save you and protect you, then nobody can kill you. But if Krishna wants to not save you and wants you to die, then nobody can save you. So behind the lion was running behind them. So did this lion So the lion got hold of husband and wife,
और पति पत्नी के उनको ही मार दिया।
and he killed the husband and wife. So the lion killed the husband and wife.
कुछ समय के बाद
Then
जो बच्चा
after a
डंगर था
while,
ना,
the baby was in the hole. This baby was actually saved.
बड़ी समय कुछ बंदरों जो है उस स्थान पर आ गए।
So after a while, the monkeys came there.
हैं? बंदरों के
The monkeys
साथ आ गए।
came to that place.
बंदरों में देखा दिया फिर बच्चा चैर पैर पैर काट रो रहे।
So the monkeys heard that this little baby was crying. So when they heard the baby was crying, so they moved the branches and the leaves over the hole. So even whatever these animals have, they have sympathy for babies. They have some love and affection for the baby. So what did this monkey do? The female monkey, and they said, so this female monkey lifted this boy, a baby, and started to feed the baby, breastfeed the baby. So what happened? This monkey started to live with his monkeys. So the baby thought, this is my mother and father. So this baby started to live with all the monkeys, and he started to imitate the monkeys and started to like little monkeys are running, little baby monkeys are running here and there, and like that we see that. So this baby also similarly was running here and there, just like a monkey baby. One day, so one day a hunter came. The hunter saw, so he saw these monkeys that within this monkey, group of monkey, there he saw a little human baby. Even though he had long hair, but he looks like a human baby. So the seeker, so what did the hunter do? Hunter caught that baby. Before he was, so with great difficulty, he caught the baby. So just like the monkey, when monkey is caught, like he was khakar, just like that, the baby was doing the same. So the hunter brought the baby, cut the nail and cut his hair, and then and then he started to train that baby, like breathing. So he started to train the baby, and he made him a human. Actually, he was a human baby, but because he was living with the monkeys, that's why he was behaving like animal, like monkey. So then he started to go to the school. So he studied, or whatever, then he studied and he became district manager. So what is it? Humans who are in this world, they don't even know who Bhagwan is. So what is the job of the Guru is to give them transcendental knowledge and take them towards Bhagwan. But these conditioned souls, they don't want to hear Harikatha. So you tell them to come and listen to Harikatha, but nobody wants to sit here, and by force we have to call them and say, hey, sit down and listen to Harikatha. Or if they hear Harikatha from one ear, and then let it out from the other ear. So please sit down and listen to Harikatha. Sit here in the front and listen to Harikatha. If you don't listen to Harikatha, then what's the point? And we've come from so far away. So today, since morning, fourth, morning. So after 1.5 hour. 1 hour he spoke in the morning, and then after Mangal Aarti I spoke Harikatha for 1 hour. Then at 9:30 we went to another morning program, and there I spoke for about 1.5 hour, and then we came back lunch program at 3, and then took rest.
भगवान की कथा श्रवण
So actually there were 2 morning program, lunch program. This is the 3rd program. So
संसार के
3,
जीव भगवान के
so
भजन
4th.
करना
This is the
नहीं
4th
चाहते।
time Gurudev is giving Hari Katha today.
आप लोग इधर थोड़ा इधर इधर आइए। हाँ। हाँ क्या बोला संसार के लोग भगवान की
संसार,
कथा सुनना
this-
नहीं चाहते। कौन सुनना चाहते हैं?
Conditional soul.
टीवी चला दो आजकल सभी के हाथ में क्या होता है वो आईफोन है आईपैड आईफोन
So everyone has got iPad or iPhone. No, they have ruchi with that, but they don't have ruchi with Hari Katha.
हैं? आज इतना सहज नहीं होता।
It's not that easy.
हमारे महाप्रभु के समय एक
At Mahaprabhu, there was a brahmachari during the Mahaprabhu's Leela. His name was Pradamba Brahmachari. Pradama Mishra.
क्या नाम था?
Pradama Mishra.
दूसरा है ना, ब्राह्मण।
Mishra is Brahmin.
वो कहने लगे प्रभु आप
I said,
मैं कुछ
"Prabhu,
हरि कथा सुनना चाहता हूँ।
I want to hear Hari Katha.
आपसे कुछ हरि कथा सुनना चाहता हूँ।
So I want to hear Hari Katha.
महाप्रभु धन्य करके बोले मैं हरि कथा कहाँ जाऊँ?
Mahaprabhu, he told Mahaprabhu, I want to hear Hari Katha
क्या
from you.
रामानंद
So
से-
Mahaprabhu said that with humbly Mahaprabhu said, you go to Rai Ramananda to hear Hari Katha.
रुचि हो जाता है
So-
जीवन धन्य।
So Mahaprabhu said, whoever gets a ruchi, who gets attachment to hearing Hari Katha, then their life will be successful.
तो इंग्लिश हो गया इंटरनेट
Attachment.
अटैचमेंट आनंद होता है।
So whoever, Ullas, they are enthusiastic, they have enthusiasm to listen to Hari Katha.
जैसे देखो रसगुल्ला हो
So like there's a rasgulla, there's some sweets.
जैसे खाने से क्या होता है आनंद होता है ना
But when you eat rasgulla, then you have anand. Yeah, you enjoy it. Then you want more and more and more.
हैं? आज समझ में हैं? हम कहते हैं क्या लाऊं
So he said, boat,
क्या लाऊं
boat shall I bring? Kya lao?
समझ में आता है क्या बोला
Kya lao?
क्या लाऊं माने
Kya lao? Kya lao?
क्या लाऊं समझते हैं कि-
Kya lao? Kya lao? Kya lao means kya
क्या
lao.
लाऊं नहीं समझते हो पिटाई पिटाई कर रहा है
Kya lao means to beat. Kya lao means to beat somebody.
और उसके बाद
So kya lao means I'll beat you. Yeah.
हैं?
Kya lao means to beat somebody. Pani. Pani.
बोलने का तरीका हो जाता
So
है हैं? क्या लेकर के आऊं
so kya lekar
और
kya?
केला
Kela. Kya lekar kya? What shall I bring? Kela means I'll beat you. So
इधर
when
उधार करके
is so this word, you know. So Mahaprabhu is saying, so if you have ruchi in Harikatha, then that is you are very fortunate.
टीवी देखना ये करना वो
You
करना
look what TV or what
भगवत कथा में
you like it, you enjoy watching TV, but you should have ruchi with the Harinam. That is a very very fortunate if you get attached to Harinam.
भगवान की
After
कथा
many
में
after many lifetimes, Sukriti,
आ गया
हाँ,
आ गए हो
आ गए हो, बैठ गए हो,
ठीक है आ गए हो बैठ गए हो खड़े
आठ
हो
गए, बैठ गए,
चल
खड़े गए हो, चले गए हो.
हाँ, बैठो
You are here, sit down, get up, and then you went. And
बैठो,
you
बैठो। अरे इधर आ जा बेटा इधर 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 सामने बैठ सामने इधर अरे कोई बात नहीं का कथा सुनो सब
everybody listen to Katha.
हाँ इधर आ जाओ अच्छा लगता है हाँ? आप क्या बोला
So what I said,
सद्गुरु मिश्रा की
the Pradruma Mishra asked Mahaprabhu and said, "Oh Mahaprabhu, I want to listen to Hari Katha from you." So he said, if you have ruchi, who has ruchi to listen to Hari Katha is very fortunate.
विशक सेना कथा सुनो जो निरति श्रम एवं ही केवल श्रीमद् भागवत में
In Srimad Bhagavatam, Sukadev Goswami says, telling to Parikshit Maharaj,
इस संसार के लोग
In
अनेक
this
काम करते
material world,
रहते हैं, वर्णाश्रम
they
धर्म
are,
पालन
they are following so many, they are so busy, they are following Varnash ashram. If they don't have any ruchi in listening to Harikatha, then their life is wasted.
एक व्यक्ति के भगवान
To bring,
भगवान की ये रास्ते में लाने के
to
लिए
bring one
क्या करना पड़ता
person
है?
towards the path of Bhagwan,
400 गैलन
700 gallons of blood is used by the sadhu. Then that person, that also is not sure that that person will come towards the path of Krishna consciousness.
संत महात्मा
There is so many Sant
एक
Mahatmas.
जन्म नहीं, कितने
It's
कितने
not
जन्म
many,
हैं
many.
संत
These
महात्मा
Sant Mahatmas have come not only for one janam, not one lifetime, many, many lifetimes come.
मार्ग में और रास्ता में आ गए।
So now, slowly,
सब लोग नहीं आए।
not everyone comes in the path of Krishna consciousness. Whoever has got Sukriti will come.
हम तो प्रयास कर रहे हैं।
We are
हैं?
trying.
एक जीव के संसार
We are
की
trying
माया
that
का
one
ऐलान से
jiva,
उद्धार करके
that one jiva can be delivered from this prison of material life.
इतना सहज नहीं।
So it's not
क्योंकि
easy.
बद्ध जीव कैसे होता है?
Who is conditional
बद्ध जीव
jeeves?
के कहा गया कैसे?
Conditional jeeves are
विष्ठा के कीड़ा जैसे। विष्ठा समझते कि नहीं?
vista, vista,
विष्ठा नहीं समझती हो?
stool. It's like a stool.
पायखाना।
Pekhana, vista. I know he said that, but before I forgot.
संस्कृत
Yes,
भाषा
it's a
में
stool.
और पायखाना जो है।
So pekhana, pekhana means fusel. You know the little maggots you have in the or the
सफेद सफेद होता
in
है।
the stool.
हैं? हैं? आज बोले बद्ध जीव उसी प्रकार है। पायखाना ठीक होता अच्छा लगता है।
So these conditional souls are like stool.
ये तो भगवान की कथा में
But if they have no ruchi in listening to Bhagwan, so like these bacteria you have in these insects that are in the stool, then if you separate the insects from the stool, then where in which direction they will go? They will go back to the direction of another stool. So like these jivas, we have to, even if we bring them into Krishna consciousness, then again they may go back to material life. That's why you have to put more effort to bring them in. So like there is a chitty, there is a ant, there is a big mountain of salt. This chitty, this ant was, so this ant used to say there was a mountain of sugar. That's where this ant used to live. So this ant that was living next to a sugar mountain of sugar, then he went walking and he went to another ant. The other ant had a salt mountain. So it's wherever you stay, that's where you eat. So this ant, the ant was either went. So he went to this salt mountain and he tasted the salt and he didn't like. So he didn't like. So he invited that ant that was living in the salt mountain and said, "No, you come to my house. I am near the mountain of sugar. You are living in the salt. Salt is very salty, you know. So in Mathura, the water is salty because in the Mathura, actually it's not sweet water. It's very hard to get sweet water in Mathura. You get salty water there. So like this ant, so this ant that lived in the sugar mountain said to the ant that was living in the salty that you come to my mountain, come. And then he also said, oh, you know the sugar is very nice. He glorified the sugar. What is the purpose of sugar? With the sugar you make syrup, you can make a lot of sarbat or even sweets. Oh yes, yes. Oh, you make very nice sarbat. Nahi.
कथा है ना
So chini ki sarbat, sugar sarbat, syrup.
बैठो कथा समाप्त कर देता हूँ अभी 9:30 बजते जा रहे हैं ना।
So it's
हम यहाँ पर
9:30.
10 बजे आते हैं।
When we leave, it will be like 10 o'clock. If we leave from here 10 o'clock, and then we'll reach home 11. So what did I say? The ant was in the sugar. The ant from the sugar invited the ant who lived in the salty mountain. So this friend, this ant, salty ant, came to the sugar and he said, "Oh, you told me that to
क्या लगते हैं? सब नमकीन लगता है।
namkeen." So he said, "Whatever I eat this sugar, but it's not very sweet. It's salty."
कितने बड़े-बड़े चीनी के ढेर है।
So he said, "Look, there's so much sugar here."
अरे ये चीनी के ढेर है। चीनी
So
के
this
पहाड़ है
salty
ये।
ant is saying that I am not liking it here. Look, there's no salt here. So why are you tasting it salty? There's no salt here. It's all sugar here. So
बोले तू इधर आ जा।
So he said,
काट दो।
so he said, "Oh, here, come here. Open your
इतना
mouth."
बड़ा ये
In your mouth.
का
So he said, "Open your mouth. Open your mouth." And then when he opened, this ant opened his mouth. There's a big crystal of salt in his mouth. And he said, "Okay, throw that away and then wash your mouth. And then now take sugar in and taste the sugar." So
नमक के ढेर को
fake, yeah. So he threw the crystal of a salt from his mouth and put sugar in his mouth. Then he said, "Now I can taste. Now this is very
ये
sweet."
संसार की जो
So what is the purport of this is that the souls that are living, conditional souls that are living in this world,
शास्त्र में क्या कहा? गुरु वृंदावन कैसे?
doesn't know what Golak Vrindavan is. They don't know the transcendental world. Dadamo Guru Tamaham Bhajami Govindamadi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami Govindamadi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami.
हमारी ब्रह्म संहिता में
In our Brahma Samhita,
ये गुरु वृंदावन धाम कैसे?
it says what is they describe what Golok Vrindavan Dham is like. Golok Vrindavan Dham is Chintamani. All the houses that are in Golok Vrindavan, they are made from Chintamani.
चिंतामणि प्रकट सत्म सुकल्प।
So all the trees and the trees are there are Kalpa Vriksha. They fulfill they desire, fulfill your desire.
इस पेड़ के नीचे कल्पना करते
जो इस पेड़ के नीचे बोलते ना बोलो, जिस पेड़ के नीचे
कल्पना करने से वो पूर्ण हो
It's
जाएगा।
like that. So whatever you desire under that tree, it fulfills all your desires.
क्या कल्पना करना है? जो आपको मांगना इच्छा है।
So whatever you want to ask,
क्या मांगना चाहते हो बताओ?
what do you want? Ask. I want your sang. Bas, I want to serve you. So what you will go to Lucknow? So he said yesterday, he said Vani Seva. Ah, I heard yesterday he said do Vani Seva, so I can do serve you. So they do Harinam. Very nice what he spoke. So Chintamani.
पेड़ के नीचे उस पेड़ के नीचे जो भी चिंता
So whatever you desire under that tree, whatever you want, it will fulfill your desires.
जड़ चिंता को तो जड़ वस्तु भी दे देगी।
So if you want material things, then you'll get, it will give you material things.
लकड़ी जो है काट
So one person was cutting the wood.
गर्मी के समय था।
It was very hot.
वो क्या कि देखा एक पेड़ के नीचे जाकर
So,
विश्राम करने।
so when he got tired, he took rest under a tree. And when he was taking rest,
वो पेड़ क्या था?
then he didn't realize that that tree he was resting under was a Kalpa Vriksha. Kalpa Vriksha would fulfill all the desires. So this person said, "Oh, I am so thirsty.
थोड़ा पानी मिल जाए।
I hope it would be nice if I can get water." Then what happened? He's just thinking, and this mud gada, a pot of the mud came, and very nice pure water was there, and he drank the water. Oh, he said, oh, this is nice.
अपने लिए प्यास से चले भूख
Oh,
लगता था।
then, okay, his thirst was fulfilled. But then he said, oh, now I'm hungry.
कचौड़ी पूरी
Then just thinking, so he's thinking like, oh, it would be nice if I can get some hot, this, so some hot kachori,
हैं गरम गरम देखो कितने
puri,
कचमच चकमक
puri, like so much chakachak. Like the lunchtime program, we had so many hot puris. So then these kachoris appeared. We thought first, okay, he was thirsty, then he drank water, and then he got puri and kachori. Then he got chole, puri and chole,
बोला आलू की सब्जी
aloo ki sabji ne, chana,
आलू मटर
chana,
आलू मटर और
chana, paneer, aloo matar paneer.
बेटा साहब क्या बताएं
That time. So paneer sabji was so nice. Yes. So then he got all this and he enjoyed eating all.
खाने के बाद क्या
And then he thought, oh, now my stomach is full. So now I want to take a rest.
नहीं था
So he thought,
केवल मानी
even only in the mind he was thinking, where can I go and take some rest? It would be nice if there would be some arrangement of a bed here. And then what happened?
बिल्कुल
Beautiful, nice bed, king side bed appeared.
बहुत सख्त
Very nice, soft mattress it had.
जीवन में कोई सोई
So it's even oh, in my life I've never had such a bed. I've never slept in a bed. So past then he slept on the bed.
तो लकड़ी काटते काटते मेरा पैर थक गया
So he thought, oh, all day, I've been cutting wood all day, and my legs are tired. So it would be nice. It would be nice if somebody can massage my legs.
एक सुंदरी लड़की
Then
आ गई
just saying that a beautiful girl appeared, and
इधर ये भाई ये स्थान तो जंगल है
so he said, oh,
आग आ जाए है तब क्या करेंगे
so this place is a jungle. So he goes, oh, what? So he's thinking of a tiger. Oh, what would happen? This is like, I'm in the jungle. What if a tiger comes?
खाली तो क्या करें
And the tiger appeared.
जो चिंतन किया
So whatever he thought, whatever he was thinking, the tiger came, and the tiger jumped on him and he ate him.
यीशु आ जाते हैं
So this is called Kalpa Vriksha,
चिंत जगत में
where
ऐसे नहीं है
even
अब चिंतन क्या है
in transcendental world also there are trees that are Kalpa Vriksha, but the Chintan is only spiritual. There, and all the houses are made of Chintamani.
और वहीं पर जितने
There,
गाय
everything,
है वो गाय क्या है
all the cows that are there are called Surabhi cows. They give milk.
और वो भी कामधेनु कहा जाता है
Or they are called Kamdhenu.
वो आपके मन में चिंता आएगा
Whatever
वो क्या
comes.
करेगा सब
So there, the cows, whatever
इसलिए काम
comes in your mind, the desires are there. The cows also fulfill the
संभ्रम सिद्धमानम देखो गोलोक वृंदावन धाम में
in Golok Vrindavan Dham.
अरे कहाँ जा रही है अपने के हैं? अच्छा वहाँ पर भी क्या बताया गया
About Lakshmi.
देखो
So Lakshmi, even in the Vaikunt, the Lakshmi in the Vaikunt,
गोलोक वृंदावन की बात है
so they serve in Vrindavan. Even the Lakshmi serves in Vrindavan.
स्वयं इंद्रिया शास्त्रग्रही दरित दीक्षतां भिक्षुतामका हरिदिकया सब
So
देखो
this is Gopi Gita.
एक नहीं सैकड़ों
There is many, there is not one Lakshmi,
वृंदावन में क्या करते हैं
many Lakshmi, crores of Lakshmi. They are doing jadu in Vrindavan.
सुंदर ब्रह्म है सिद्धगण वृंदावन
They sweep in the floor of
आपको
Vrindavan.
क्या होगा आपको पता लगा कुछ आप देखा चिंतामणि घर देखा
Have you seen Chintamani house?
ईंट के तो देखा
You've seen a house made of bricks,
ईंट बालू देकर के बनाते हैं।
with bricks and cement.
आपने कैसे बनाते घर
How did you build your
कैसे
house?
बनाया? चिंतामणि है घर में?
Have you got Chintamani in your house? No.
है? परसमणि है?
Have you got Parsamani?
परसमणि जानते हो?
Do you know what Parsamani? Parsamani means if with that Parsamani, if you touch iron, then the iron becomes gold.
चिंता करने के सारे
So Chinta means
ऐसे है, चिंता करने के साथ
Chintamani means whatever you think in your mind
वो चिंतामणि क्या है?
that fruit appears.
बताया था करो। अरे नाम चिंतामणि
Chintamani, I told you this morning. So what is Harinam? Harinam is